Hi viewers, welcome to my channel. Okay, 7th class maths integers. In this exercise 4, first two problems finished. Exercise 4 in this third problem now. Okay, see here this third problem carefully. A certain freezing process requires that room temperature be below from 40 degrees centigrade at the rate of 5 degrees centigrade every hour. Okay, so at certain freezing process, we should now at present room temperature is 40 degrees centigrade and every hour 5 degrees centigrade is decreasing. మనం ఒకటి ఫ్రీజ్ చేయాలనుకుంటాము. దాన్ని ఈ 40 డిగ్రీ సెంటిగ్రేడ్ కంటే బిలో ఉండాలా అంట. అది ఇప్పుడు ప్రెజెంట్ ఉన్న టెంపరేచర్ ఇది. ఓకేనా, ఎవ్రీ అవర్ 5 డిగ్రీ సెంటిగ్రేడ్ డిక్రీజ్ అవుతూ ఉంది. అలాగా వాట్ విల్ బి ద రూమ్ టెంపరేచర్ 10 hours ఆఫ్టర్ ది ప్రాసెస్ బిగిన్స్. సో 10 hours తర్వాత రూమ్ టెంపరేచర్ ఎంత ఉంటుంది మనం క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేయాలంటున్నారు. అంటే ప్రాసెస్ ఇప్పుడు స్టార్ట్ అయింది, అంటే ప్రెజెంట్ టెంపరేచర్ 40 డిగ్రీ సెంటిగ్రేడ్ ఉన్నప్పుడు ఆ ఫ్రీజింగ్ ప్రాసెస్ అనేది స్టార్ట్ అయింది. 10 hours తర్వాత టెంపరేచర్ ఎంత ఉంటుంది చెక్ చేయాలి మనం. ఓకేనా, అంటే ఎవ్రీ అవర్ 5 డిగ్రీ సెంటిగ్రేడ్ డిక్రీజ్ అవుతూ వస్తూ ఉంది. ఓకే, హౌ టు రైట్ దిస్ వన్ ఐ విల్ టెల్. సో గివెన్ at present, we should write at present. So at present the room temperature is 40 degrees centigrade. Okay, afterwards this one we should write the total decrease. So how much decreasing after 10 hours? The total decrease in temperature after 10 hours. So after 10 hours how much decreasing the total temperature? So at the rate of 5 degrees centigrade a hour. So per hour 5 degrees centigrade we are taking. So 10 into 5 is equals to 50 degrees is decreasing. So actually now temperature after 5 hours. Therefore temperature after 10 hours is equals to present temperature. So 40 degrees, this one 40 degrees centigrade minus, and after 10 hours 50 degrees is decreasing. So 50 degrees centigrade. So what is the result here? If first we should do subtraction, 50 minus 40 is 10 degrees centigrade, and 1 plus and 1 negative sign. Which one having the bigger number sign we should keep here. Bigger number having a negative sign, that one we should keep. So totally after 10 hours what is the temperature? Minus 10 degrees centigrade. Okay, understood this one? Okay, now let us go to the fourth problem. In a class test containing 10 questions. So normally in class teachers are conducting test, no? So like that here also conducted test. How many questions having? Total questions 10 questions are there. So in that 3 marks are awarded for every correct answer. So 3 marks are giving for every correct answer, and minus 1 mark is for every incorrect answer. So if you are writing incorrect, so minus 1 will be cut in your marks, and 0 for questions not attempted. So not attempted questions 0 marks. Okay, there is no negative marks or positive marks. So normally nowadays competitive exams we are seeing, no? So some questions positive marks having, and some for incorrect answers negative marks are there. Like this here also question gave. So like that problems how to solve here, listen. So in this 3 questions are there. So Gopi student wrote this test, I think. Gopi, Reshma and Rashmi. Okay, Gopi gets 5 correct and 5 incorrect answers. Okay, what is his score? So we should calculate that one. So first we should write given. Okay, Okay, total number of questions, how many? 10 questions are there. So marks are awarded for every correct answer is 3 marks. Okay, so first how to write the problem? First we should write given. So given nothing but what they gave in the question, that one we should write starting. Okay, so after here number of questions we should write marks. So for correct answer how many marks, for incorrect answers and not attempted questions how many marks, we should write clearly. Okay, then only we can solve the remaining 3 problems in this. Marks awarded for every correct answer is 3. Marks awarded for every incorrect answer. So wrong answer is -1 marks you are cutting, and marks for questions not attempted is 0 marks. Okay, so now let us see the first question. Okay, see here, Gopi gets 5 correct and 5 incorrect answers. What is his score? Okay, Gopi gets 5 correct and 5 incorrect answers. Gopi's score is, so he wrote 5 correct. So for correct marks, how many marks we are giving? 3 marks. So 5 into 3 and plus 5 incorrect. So for incorrect answers, -1 marks. Like this we should write. Okay, so this bracket nothing but into 5 3s are 15, and here plus into minus minus, and 5 ones are 5. So 15 minus 5 how much? 10. Okay, so what is the Gopi score? 10 marks. Okay. Okay, second question. Reshma gets 7 correct answers and 3 incorrect answers. And what is his score? So score we should find out. So total 10 questions she attempted, but 7 correct, 3 incorrect. Okay, so for correct answers 3 marks, 7 into 3 and plus 3 into -1 for incorrect answers. 7 3s are 21 and plus into minus minus, and 3 1s are 3. So 21 minus 3 how much? 18 marks. So Reshma got how many marks? 18 marks. Okay, third question is, so Rashmi gets 3 correct and 4 incorrect answers out of 7 questions she attempts. So what is her score? Okay, see here, so only 7 questions she attempted. Okay, so 3 not attempted. Okay, for this we should calculate. Okay, see here, Rashmi gets 3 correct and 4 incorrect answers out of 7 questions she attempts. Next line, this one, not attempted questions is equals to 3. So Rashmi's score is, so first 3 correct, no, so 3 into 3 plus, and 4 is the incorrect, so 4 into -1. Okay, that's all. No need to write this 3 not attempted questions. So for this 0 marks only, no, so 3 into 0 0 only. Now multiply 3 3s are 9 and plus into minus minus, 4 1s are 4. So 9 minus 4 is equals to how much? So 5. So Reshmi's score is 5, and here Reshma's score is 18 and Gopi's score is 10. Okay, now understood clearly for you students? Okay.